Hey guys, Dragon Lady. This is just going to be a short little clip um, before my unboxing video of my GA. I talked to Kathy from GearBest, and I guess I misunderstood her. She replaced the Gonzo for this, the Nightcore tip. So I wasn't supposed to be, I wasn't supposed to get both of them. When they just got sent, I was just supposed to get this, and I guess I misunderstood her. So. Again, this is Dragon Lady, and this is the Nightcore tip. Hey guys, Dragon Lady here. This package is from Waster64 giveaway way back when. I think it was the end of September. I never got my prize. There was, I don't know, some kind of mix-up with shipping or something. It got lost, and so I've been dealing with that, but she said that she was gonna Kathy at GearBest. I've been dealing with her for the past couple months. And she's been, obviously really sorry and whatever's been happening. And she told me that she was going to add on a flashlight for me because I told her that's originally what I wanted. And instead of the knife, the Gonzo. And that I've been looking for a good EDC flashlight. She said that she could possibly add one on that's around the same price as the Gonzo. So let me open up the package. I'm using my Schrade old timer. And my cat just popped up here. Let's see here. There's a little note or something right here. So let's see. Sorry about that. I heard my dad coming down the hallway, so I hurry up and pause the video. But since I did that, I was able to open this up a little better. Let's see here. And I got my cat right here, all up in my stuff. What are you doing? Huh? You little shit. Don't you be meowing at me. Yeah, so this really ain't nothing. Let's see. Put my knife away. Actually, maybe I'll just leave it like that while I finish opening that. Empty. Huh. Wow. Well, I think this is... I don't think... Well, actually, let me see quick. And I'll put my knife away later. Well, see? I just got the flashlight and didn't get my knife. Well, what the fuck? Because I thought Kathy at GearBest told me that she was going to do a whole... She said I didn't have to worry about it. Because I asked her if they were going to send a whole new shipment since my other one was lost. And then they were going to... She said that she was going to add this one on. But obviously this is the only thing that I got. So I still have yet to get my knife. Let's see here. Yeah, it's the Nightcore Christmas gift set. There's a green and a red one, and then a blue and a red one. And here it is. Man, that ain't very heavy at all. Wow, that's pretty bright. Oh, little one. Huh. I'll definitely have to go through the little instruction booklet so I know all the different modes and stuff. Because it only has a turbo, and I think that's where you push these two together. And then there's a way to tell the charging on it too. So I mean that's cool, but I still didn't get the knife like I thought it was going to be sent today. Well, I guess I'll be having to talk to Kathy again. Um, but hey, I mean this is pretty cool. I'll, you know, definitely. I mean, I definitely could use this. Obviously, let's see, 360 lumens. Let's see, 46 hour runtime, max intensity, max distance. Nice. Um, giveaway. I'm thinking of doing the giveaway after Christmas and maybe even New Year's Eve. New Year's and whatever. Because I mean, it'll probably just be a lot easier. I'm still debating on what I want to do for it. I mean, it'll be my 450 sub, so it'll be my very first one, and I'm still, like I said, thinking of what I want to do. But I think I do want VRs for it, and I have been seeing lately a lot of people getting ferro rods, from different places, and some very cool looking ones too. So I'm thinking it might have something to do with ferro rods. Um, like the subject matter, and the people that usually watch my channel, uh, usually I'll make videos anyway. So I mean, I know there's a handful in there that don't. But since like I said, it's my very first GA giveaway, I think I'll do uh the VR. So keep an eye out for that. Um, Another thing, my cousin was in an accident right by my house early last week. I actually have a little video of that. Not much because my phone ended up dying. So, hi kitty. Oh, hi kitty kitty. Meow. What's the matter, huh? Zena, what you doing? You can't play with that, you silly cat. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, then you try to get me. Come here. What, craphead? Oh, Xena, you're such a little shit. Oh, all right, guys. I'm gonna be getting going. So, like I said, keep an eye out for my giveaway video. That'll be coming up probably in the next couple weeks. Um, I'll be having more videos out too by then. And one thing that I did want to show you guys. Jeez, Mom just started talking to me through the door, seeing what I was doing. Freaking idiots. One thing, yeah, I bought at Walmart too is this, the Ozark Trail. personal defense bat, and also flashlight. And what's actually funny is that this on turbo mode puts out more than this. This is a maximum of 300 lumens. I think it's 84 meters. So I think puts out more distance wise than this. But on turbo, this one has more lumens than this one, which is kind of crazy. 60 more. So I like this bat though. I mean, it's a nice little one. $14.95 at Walmart. So I love that thing. All right, guys. If I don't end up putting a video up before the holidays or before Christmas, that is on Sunday, I do want to wish everyone that does watch my channel a very Merry Christmas. And if you guys want and if you guys like, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely helps me out a lot. So, and anything else that you guys can think of that you would want to see me do, go ahead and just leave that down in the comments too. I'm looking for some ideas, some video ideas. I do already have some in mind that I do have to do. What's the matter, kitty? She's over here. Meow. One of them is bug out. Oh, you can't get in there. Jeez. Bug out. You can't bite that. What are you doing? Is either my bug out or my EDC bag. I'm getting one for my younger sister, Tracy. I already know what it is because I was there when I picked it out. But it's pretty freaking badass. So keep an eye out for that. I'll probably have that video up next week. And maybe I'll throw the GA in there. I'm not quite sure. So, guys, again, this is Dragon Lady. And I'll see you guys later. Dragon Lady, out. Let's go about the ditch. What about him?
There's Johnson. Josh threw it out.
Oh, his weed?
I have it.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Look at that. And that's the fuck.
Maybe not, because this window's closed. He probably didn't get to toss it.
He said he tossed it, right?
No. John was just thinking he did.
Yeah. I don't know. Shit, man. That's crazy. It's right on the fucking corner.
Oh, yeah, he swung him this time. He hit him that hard.
Really?
Yeah, because he was going straight.
So he landed him right there?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. And he took him to, you said Mercy?
Yeah. No.
Or
Yeah, Mercy flighted him to...
Is it Warsaw or?
Strome in Rochester.
Strome. Holy shit. That's fucking bad. Well, there goes that frickin' truck. Oh, shit. There's a semi, huh? I wonder how the semi looks.